Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some cottage style home interior decoration ideas. Let's take a look. Here are some cottage style home interior decorating tips. Use dried flowers. Dried grasses, lavender or simple dried bouquets can provide cottage charm without requiring mass maintenance. Add crochet accessories. Crochet blankets, pillow covers, table runners, and small baskets can make the interior feel handmade and cozy. Keep the atmosphere relaxed. The most important rule is to make the home feel comfortable and welcoming, rather than overly perfect or formal. Use soft plaid. Introduce subtle plaid through cushions, blankets, runners, or upholstery for a cozy countryside feel. Use stone accents. Natural stone around a fireplace, backsplash, or a small decorative area can add rustic countryside character. Create a small herb display. Keep herbs such as mint, basil, or rosemary in simple ceramic or terracotta pots near a sunny kitchen window. Add a vintage-style clock. A small round clock can fill an empty wall while adding traditional character. Decorate with baskets above cabinets. Place a few attractive oven baskets on top of cabinets for both decoration and occasional storage. Use soft area rugs. Layer a small patterned rug over a larger natural fiber rug to make the room feel warmer and more inviting. Try a plate wall. Arrange decorative ceramic plates on a wall to create a charming traditional focal point. Leave some imperfections. Slightly mismatched furniture, handmade objects, and natural variations make cottage interiors feel authentic and relaxed. Use vintage trunks. An old-style wooden trunk can work as a coffee table, bedside table, or storage space. Choose wooden peg rails. Install a simple peg rail in the entryway or kitchen for hanging baskets, aprons, towels, or lightweight decor. Decorate with copper accents. A few copper-colored pots, trays, or utensils can add warmth to a cottage kitchen. Use muted wallpaper. Choose tiny floral, botanical, stripe, or traditional patterns in soft colors for a timeless appearance. Add a kitchen runner. A washable pattern runner can bring softness and color to the kitchen floor. Use glass jars. Store dry ingredients, flowers, buttons, or small craft supplies in clear glass jars for a practical decorative touch. Try a vintage cabinet. A painted wooden cabinet can provide storage while becoming a charming focal point. Use botanical prints. Frame illustrations of leaves, herbs, flowers, or garden plants for a subtle nature-inspired look. Add a cozy footstool. Place a small upholstered or wooden footstool beside an armchair to create a comfortable, relaxing spot. Decorate with earthenware. Handmade-looking bowls, pitchers, and plates add warmth and rustic character. Use soft straws on chairs. Draping a lightweight throw over an armchair or sofa creates an inviting, casual appearance. Use traditional decor details. Simple wooden doors, classic handles, and understamped trim can reinforce the cottage character. Focus on comfort first. Choose pieces that make the room pleasant to use every day. The best cottage interiors feel warm, practical, peaceful, and lived in. Keep shelves visually balanced. Mix books, pottery, plants, baskets, and smaller artwork rather than filling shelves with one type of object. Add a window seat. Turn a sunny window area into a cozy seat with a cushion, pillows, and a soft throw. Use soft stripes. Narrow stripes on cushions, curtains, or upholstery can complement floral patterns without making the room too busy. Choose painted furniture. Softly painted wooden furniture in cream, shades, pale blue, or muted gray can create classic cottage charm. Create a cozy bedroom layer. Layer shades, quilts, cushions, and throws in coordinating soft colors for a comfortable cottage bedroom. Decorate with animal wear. Simple animal bowls, pitchers, and containers can give kitchens and utility spaces a nostalgic touch. Add a rustic mirror. A wooden framed mirror can make a room feel brighter while adding cottage character. Create a breakfast nook. A small round table with wooden chairs can create an intimate and charming dining corner. Use open kitchen storage. Display frequently used dishes, mugs, jars, and bowls on open wooden shelves. Add soft upholstered chairs. Fabric-covered chairs can make dining and seating areas feel more comfortable and inviting. Mix textures instead of too many colors. Combine linen, cotton, wicker, ceramic, and jute to create visual interest while keeping the palette calm. Let the home feel lived in. A few books, blankets, baskets, flowers, and everyday objects can make the space feel genuinely welcoming rather than stressed. Use wooden beams. If your home has suitable architectural features, exposed wooden beams can create a charming countryside atmosphere. Add a hutch cabinet. A wooden hutch can display beautiful crockery while providing practical storage. Create a cozy corner. Combine an armchair, a small side table, lamp, and basket to make a comfortable relaxation spot. Use open plate racks. A traditional plate rack can display attractive dishes while keeping them accessible. Decorate with nature-inspired objects. Pine cones, dried grasses, botanical plants, wooden objects, natural stones can reinforce the countryside mood. Mix patterns carefully. Combine florals, checks, stripes, and solids while keeping them within a coordinated color palette. Prioritize a peaceful atmosphere. Keep the decor comfortable and uncluttered, with plenty of natural textures and personal touches. Use rattan furniture. Rattan chairs, stool, or small tables add natural texture and a relaxed countryside feeling. Decorate with vintage books. A small stack of books can add color, personality, and a relaxed, lived-in feeling to shelves and tables. Add a small console table. A narrow wooden console with a mirror, lamp, and a small vase can create an attractive entryway arrangement. Balance decorations with empty space. Leave some walls, shelves, and surfaces relatively open so the cottage interior feels calm rather than crowded. Thanks for watching the video.